So, as you can tell, Perth JDM Central meet is well underway. I don't have my lab today, so make do with the noise. This guy needs to get a Honda. This guy needs to get a Honda. So, same thing as last time, because you loved it last time, so I'm going to do it again this time. I'm going to walk around, find some really cool cars that I like. If I don't feature your car, I'm so sorry, but there is hundreds of cars here. I just don't have the time to do all of them. So let's go look at some cars. Alright, I'm going to start here. I've actually done a video on this car, so I'm not going to talk about it, and I'm going to link it down below, and at the end of this video. It's a really awesome car. It's Kev's car. It's throttle bodied. You need to hear the story. Go watch that video. And Simon has organised a bunch of Supras to come down, which is really awesome to see. And this isn't actually all of them, like way over there. There is a ton more. So cool JDM cars everywhere. We have an RX-7 there, built Evo there. That S15's been on my Instagram before. Crazy Evo, crazy RX-7. So where do you even start? All the cars are so good. JDM EP3s are right there. Alright. Well guys, what do you want to see? Let's go to the RX-7. It's the little details that we love. All blacked out Workmeisters. Polished lip, matte, little satin centers. Carbon bonnet with a carbon exposed vents. Are they Feels side skirts? The carbon blade insert with the diffuser. So well done. This MX-5 was at Kebabs and Cars a little while ago. It will be almost a year ago actually. Absolutely decked. Okay, so you all know these two cars. These two are owned by Keelan, a huge Honda enthusiast who actually has back in Ireland the most insane manual NA1 NSX. Now that is almost every spoon part you can possibly think of apart from engine that has it. This is a meticulously restored import EF8 CRX with the bronze glass, the bronze roof, and it is so clean. Now that one's actually been on this channel heaps before. This one not so much, so we'll give it a quick walk around. And his alarm is super sensitive, so I can't stick in there, but super clean interior. Keelan is a man of meticulous taste and it shows. So I love this SR20 Det because fitment, just look at it. It's so good. R33 GTR wheels that have been spaced out. It's kind of nice to see something slightly different. Glass pipes. You'll want to see the interior, so there's the interior. Kind of have to appreciate from this angle to know, yeah, there you go. Yeah. And that's not to say there's not other insane Silvias here. This is Broken Silvia's S15, or a good friend of his, I believe. So if you follow the Broken Silvia channel, you will recognise that car. 13, there's another 14, 15, anyway, you get the idea, some insane cars. Majesta is what they come out stock. This is what you can make it look like. So this is a K-brake kit from Japan, and they go all out with these builds. Interiors, kits, wheels, paint. just so cool. And they're all like that. And a lot of these guys are super into their lighting at the moment. So you can actually see in the back here. So nice. Nice little chandelier. And this one's just had a new boot build done. Now all of these lights all around the edge, and they're all synced to a phone. And you can actually do like chasing patterns and all that fancy stuff that you see in all the cool LED videos. Same with the rear lights. Same thing to the phone. Interiors are wonderfully done. These guys embody the VIP scene of Japan so well. And we have, of course, 34. That man right there actually has a 33 four-door with an insane amount of power. And as you can tell, loves his Skylines. This one, probably not quite as powerful as his, but you gotta love a good 34. That right there is Che. He is the official media guy of the event, getting the shots. This is Matt's car. Recently just been mapped. 700 horsepower. He's been building this for about a year. As you can tell, it's a serious car, sequential. We'll check out the boot. So, on my channel a little while ago, we did some warehouse drifting. The man that drove that car drives this car. So expect some legal things to come from this. Matt, you're a madman. Okay, now you all love the HiAce video that I did with these guys. So this is them. This is Brody's. So he runs HiAce Syndicate. And you guys love this video. I don't blame you, they're so cool. They're all parked together. Now, why do you guys love this so much? I mean, I think it's cool, but why do you like it? I'd love for you to tell me in the comments why you like it. I love it because it's so Japan and so different. Why do you like it? Okay, so this particular NSX has been on the channel a fair few times, but now we can actually see the paint. So this is a 2021 paint, the Indie Pearl Yellow. I helped fit the coilovers on this with the front air cups. That is on my channel. You can go find that. And Tian has done an insane job on this car. Let's just stare at it for a bit. I'm gonna guess this is a 75 240Z. I know my cars, but I don't know them that well. This is a 260. Oh, close. So close. Look how clean this thing is. These mirrors, if they're real, I've seen these for sale and they are thousands of dollars. So good choice in parts. One of the rarest R34 GTR colours, yellow. The numbers that were sold in yellow are so scarily low. Man, I've actually never seen another yellow 34 GTR ever. So super cool to see. The big booty gang, the 4 doors. This 34 is so nice. And then of course, you all know this guy. Always wears the nicest shirts. So clean T37s, work wheels. People just do it right. When the people do it right, I mean, let's face it, coilovers and wheels look so good. Like, it's got more work done to it. I'm not taking anything away from you, but no one can tell me they don't love the JZX 100. No one. I mean, you can, again, I'll listen to you, but I will dispute you. Like, you could argue 34s are such awesome cars. The power you can get out of them, the parts you can fit, including those wheels, which are now skyrocketing value. But is a 34 GTR worth the money that they're going for? Slide in the comments, you tell me, is a 34 GTR worth what they're going for? Sick car, would love to own one day, but damn, they're expensive. So in the old school corner, if you saw my Todas in the Park video, you've already seen this one. So let's walk around the 260 vintage car specialty shop. I'm assuming that is this man or woman's brand. Man, this thing is clean. I know you all love a 260, 240. So this 31 has actually been on my Instagram as well. I was shot it at Wanneroo Raceway. So clean. Now we actually get 31s in Australia quite a bit, but to see them clean is really, really nice. So as you can see, the cars are starting to leave. What an insane, insane event. A huge, huge shout out to Perth JDM Central, who are, well, they're everywhere, they're there, they're over there, for putting on this event. Thank you so much to the Swan Athletic guys, I think I said that right, for letting this happen. And as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. A little bit more of an informal vlog. I hate that word, but a little bit more informal vlog style today. You guys liked it last time, so hopefully you like it this time. If you did, like, subscribe, all that business, and I'll see you in the next video. And this is how you die an early death.
Nah, you need one of these, like, then you don't need to use it. Alright, see you later, boys. See ya.